were doing the editing for this day of the video and we realized we forgot to do an intro video, so here we go. Welcome to day 5 of our road trip. This was our first full day in San Francisco, California. What we did was we decided to stay at the Fairfield in Millbrae, which is down by the San Francisco International Airport. The reason why we stayed at this particular hotel was because downtown, the San Francisco hotels are a lot more expensive. Some of them want $80, $90 just to park your car for the night. So we decided, let's just stay down by the airport where the parking is only $12.99. It's a Fairfield and it was a great hotel. It's walking distance to the train station. So we decided, let's take the BART train station from Millbrae down to Powell Street so that we can save some money and have a good experience riding the train. It actually turned out to be a pretty cool experience. I'd recommend taking the train there to anybody. What we did next was we wanted to take the San Francisco cable cars. We wanted to do the typical touristy thing, ride in the cable car. When we got off at Powell Street, the cable car station's there, we realized the line for the train to take the cable cars was extremely long. It looked like it was going to be an hour, hour and a half just to catch the cable car. So we just decided to walk it. The bad part about walking it was it's a lot of up and down hill. We ended up walking a total of about 11 miles this particular day. But looking back on it, it was well worth it. It was a good experience. We got to see a lot of cool things that from the cable car, yeah, it's nice to have said you were on the cable car and you rode it, but we still don't feel like we missed out on anything because we walked literally the same road that the cable cars drive down, so we saw them going by us every so often. What we did was we walked down to Fisherman's Wharf, and we actually went to Applebee's down in Fisherman's Wharf where we had a gift card, hence the cheaper price for lunch. The Applebee's is actually up on the second floor of the building there. You have to ride an elevator to get up to the Applebee's. And when you're there, they have tons of places where you can sit, wide open floor-to-ceiling windows where you can see the bay, Fisherman's Wharf, everything down below. Really cool place, really cool spot for an Applebee's to eat at. Then after we left there, we went down to Fisherman's Wharf. We did some exploring down there, did some cool stuff, looked around a little bit, and then we walked down to Ghirardelli Square and we went to Ghirardelli's. Ghirardelli's, just like the one here at Disney Springs in Orlando, Ghirardelli's is pricey. So we figured that going into it. So what we did was we decided just to get one of the larger sundaes and we just split it between the three of us to save some money. Then after we left there, we went down to Pier 39 and we saw the infamous sea lions that are down there. Overall, it was a very good day, a lot of walking. Our feet were extremely tired when we got back to the hotel, but we had a great time. Enjoy the video and let us know what you think. Don't forget to like it. Please subscribe to my channel and there'll be more videos to come. cool things about the Boudin bakery was we found out that when they would make deliveries to the residents of San Francisco, they would actually nail a loaf of sourdough bread to your front door. Kind of crazy.
So here we are in Fisherman's Wharf. Next is Musee Mécanique. It is full of old and antique video games, arcade games. Very, very interesting. I think, especially since it's free, it is definitely something to check out. Most of the games are pretty boring or simple. But then again, I mean, that's what makes it special, is just to see what generations before us had as games. You can use this penny machine. They had some penny machines all over. This that one particularly was kind of scary. It reminded me of Big. I don't know. I think this might have been where they did some of that movie filming, but I'm not sure. So, but yeah, a lot of it was actually quite weird, macabre, creepy. Mostly all centered around death or love. So kind of strange, a weird mix. They did have some traditional ones that we could remember, like Pac-Man and stuff, but most of it was pretty old. See, English execution, like, come on, really? But I mean, pretty interesting. So, I'm not sure. There's some history here on the wall. Not that I didn't actually stop to record it. I thought that little area right there was pretty neat. I'll show it to you guys in a second a little closer. They do have ATMs there. They do have change machines, which is nice. That's Pac-Man, I believe, yes. There's more beyond this area right here, but I didn't go that far because there was so much to see. But as you can see, this was pretty neat. I liked it. I liked the look of it. Though I don't think it did much. In a little bit, I'll show you a few games that we played. We just got some change, and it was pretty neat.
Day 5 feels like day 10 already, believe it or not. There's a bunch of sailboats out here in the water. Very, very pretty here, very nice. Guess we're gonna walk down here and check out this USS Pampantino and whatever the other one is behind it. So I guess let's walk. I did get a press penny for Alexis. They have those things everywhere. Some people tell you every little detail about all of them. Not us. We got one, and I don't even think we're gonna show it to you. So it is what it is.
On the boat, yeah, on the ship maybe.
Yep. The guns out there. Oh, there's people on it. Hey, but I walk out there for free? Everything's got a price. Yeah, we went on all those other Navy ships in South Carolina, remember? That was really cool. Yeah, there's a propeller, submarine propeller. Argentino's battle flag. It's pretty neat. And if you do want to go into the admission here, the general admission is $20. It says children 4 and under are free. I don't think I can qualify for that, but... Mommy, can I qualify for the under 4 price? Yeah, maybe. And this other ship is called the Jeremiah O'Brien. Not quite sure who Jeremiah O'Brien is, but maybe there'll be a little board up here and they'll let us know who he is. Or who he was. Yeah, there's a lot of boats out in the water, a ton of sailboats. And it is a good windy day, which I guess every day in San Francisco is a windy day, so it probably explains why there's a lot of sailboats here. See the giant steam engine that won World War II. Jeremiah O'Brien was there on D-Day. D-Day is June 6th. That was literally just 2 days ago. It was the 75th anniversary. D-Day was when the Allied forces invaded in Normandy, France to help defeat the Germans. Very, very huge day in American history and world history, to be honest. Very pretty views here. Looking back at Fisherman's Wharf. Bridges in the distance. Rosie the Riveter built me June 19th, 1943. We're talking about Rosie the Riveter and how they helped build the boats and everything else. They helped during World War II. Definitely couldn't have won without the ladies back at home. I am not quite sure what in the world that is up there.